Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Alex from InquisitorMaster. So let's get started. To draw cute Alex, let's first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and start basically the bottom of a U. So come right across, about right here. And I'm going to go ahead and connect it at the bottom. So I am making it a little bit wider. Trying to draw it kind of like the anime style. So let's come about right here. And connect at the center. So right here. And then go up. There. Basic bottom of a U for her face. Then let's come back up to where we started and right next to the edge, really close, we're going to draw a big circle because she does have hair on the side of her face. So get really close to the side, draw a big circle, and let's do the same thing on the other side. So about right here. And let's come in here and spruce them up and make them just like cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. Okay, so we have these 2 humongous eyes in, and let's come in between. We're going to draw a sweet smile for Alex here. So say about right here, draw a curve that slightly comes up and cap it off. And then let's spruce up these eyes and come out right here, and I'm just going to draw one long curve first. Let's see here, we draw another one at the bottom, another one at the top. So same thing over here, just one long one first, and then the bottom, and then the top. Okay, so then from there we can start to draw the gorgeous hair. So it's basically bangs in the front. So let's continue this curve. So I'm going to come up here and continue this curve. Bring this down, so about right here, really close to her face. I'm going to bring in one strand first for the side. And same thing over here. So I just want to come about right here. Sorry, I know I said bangs, right? But I realized I need to draw the side of her face first. So let's frame her face. Don't go too far in because you still have to draw her body. So say about right here. And same thing, go up. Okay, so then now that we have these 2 curves framed in, we can go ahead and draw her bangs. So right next to her eye, say about right here. I'm just going to go up, nice long strands, and come back down, touching her eye practically. Another strand, this one's closer together. Go all the way up. And one more. So about right here, just bring it down close to her eye as well. There. And then let's draw her brow, because this is an anime, so we're allowed to put her brow over her hair. So let's come right here, and I'm going to draw a curve. And same thing over here. Okay, and that is it for the face right there. And so let's go ahead, bring this up a tiny bit more, and then I'll just thicken this strand. And bring it up more. Thicken it up just like the other side. And so then we're just going to be drawing this big curve for the top of her head all the way around. So I'm just going to find my center, say about right here, and I'll use that as my guide to go up. So come to the center and come down. From there, let's come to the side right here and add a big bow for her pigtails. So right in this area, I'm just going to come right here and draw a circle, and then the loops for her bow. Nice big bow. And same thing over here. So kind of like drawing a heart. And in, and give it some detail right in the center. 2 curves. And the tail. Just bring out a little curve right there, bring it in, and just taper it off. And then in this area, say about right here, I'm going to bring in the curve that comes down really close to her bow. And we're just going to bring it in a little bit. Okay, so same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to drag this across to the center of my circle, and I'm going to be doing the same thing. So about right here, just drag this point across. Just helps me figure out a little bit easier approximate size for my bow. So right there. And connect. And let's come in here once again, 2 curves. And just like the other side, right here by this area, we're going to draw her pigtails that come down really close to the bow and tapers in. And I forgot the tail. So right here for our bow. Okay, so like I said, we'll finish the hair later. Let's draw her gorgeous outfit. So let's come to the center. I'm going to give her a tiny little neck. And then give her some shoulders. So bring this out, curve it down. So same thing here. Out and down. Then let's come back and give her a collar right here, curve. And let's say about her armpit area, be about right here and here. Using that as my guide, I'm going to draw 2 slight angle lines. There. Okay, so now we have a better idea of what we're working with. So let's come back in here and we're going to draw her collar. So just 2 angle lines that come out and bring it up. And if you like, you can pop them out a little bit if you're using a pencil. And then from there, let's bring this down a little bit more. Okay, so in this area, it's kind of tricky because she has this bow going on right here in the center. So about right here, I'm going to flare it out for the top. So right here, flare it out. So in this flared out area, I'm going to draw the bow. So right in the center, say about right here. I'm going to draw the center circle and then a bow. Draw the lips. Once again, the center and the tail. So no tail right here. And same thing here. Okay, made my bow a little bit bigger. Okay, so then from there, using this now, I can come right in here and draw 2 curves to finish off her top. So same thing here, 1, 2, and just bring it right in. And then for some details right here, let's come down the center. We're going to draw a straight line down. And then she has these ruffle things going on right here. So I'm just going to draw a bunch of curves that go all along the line. From there, let's come in the center. We're going to draw in this bottom area an angle for some detail. And then let's just add like maybe 3 buttons in the center. And 1 more. There. So the tricky part is right here in this bow. Just when you flare it out, put the bow right in the center. Okay, so then from there we can start to draw the skirt. Just come in a little bit and we're going to angle out the skirt of hers and bring it below the bow. So come about right here. And now that we're pretty even, I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a bunch of curves. So as I come down with these curves, I'm going to be lower at the bottom and then go up. So that's your goal, is to draw this curve with curves that are lower at the bottom, center I mean, and back up. And then for some details, you can come in here and we're going to basically draw lightly these lines that radiate out from the center. So just notice my angle is changing now as I come this side. So just find wherever your points are, right there, and connect. Okay, so then from there we can draw her legs. So nicely in the center, and here, and here. I'm going to go ahead and let's work on this one first. So simple legs, just bring them down, tapering thinner as we come down. And so let's come out here. I'm going to start her boot. So cut it off, give it a little cuff, and then connect it. And then we can draw her boot. So let's bring this down more, continuing her leg, and I'm just going to flare it out at the bottom. And about right there, connect. So then for some details, before I forget, she has like a little pair of socks. So just come right here and draw a little ruffle. And the sole for our boot, the top, and the 2 sides. And then for some details, just come in here with some curves. There. Okay, so same exact thing on the other side. And curves inside. And of course her socks. There. You can pop them out if you like. Just pop them out a little bit. Okay, there. So then now we can finally draw her arms, and I'm making them really simple, just to her side. So I'm just going to bring down this curve, kind of following this. And about right there, I'm going to stop because I want to draw this little part of her glove that's like ruffle. And we're just going to go ahead and continue her arm. So come down. And about right there, I'll just taper it in. Turn and curve towards her skirt. And then I'm just going to draw a little line right here for her glove. So notice there's a little break right here on her glove. Okay, so same exact thing on the other side. Follow the angle. And about right there, I'm going to break it up. And then once again, continue to the side. And about right here. There. Okay, so that is pretty much done. Hopefully I haven't forgotten anything. And now we can go ahead and finish her beautiful hair. So let's come right here, and we're going to bring it all the way down to about right here. So we're just going to come out a little bit now that we have this little dip. Come back out and bring it all the way down to kind of where her gloves are. And in this area, we're going to just start to zigzag all the way back and forth. There, I think I made it too sparse, so now I'm coming back in here. Bringing it more together. Okay, so same idea on the other side. So let's come right here. Round this off a little bit, bring it down, give it a little dip, and then come out. So once again, we're going to end about right here. So now I learned that I should not make it so sparse. So bring them closer together. And one more. There. And let's see here. That is pretty much it. Let's give Alex here a little heart. Hopefully she won't mind. So that now she's my Draw So Cute Alex from InquisitorMaster. I really hope you love how this drawing turned out, and if you're fans of Alex, please definitely let her know that I drew this. And thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.